This is a project of ATM machine. We use the ATM machine without a bank employee. When we include a card in the ATM machine, then the coin come out. Let's try again. Like this. This is the project of BoardMaster. Let's try it. Solve first sum. First answer is wrong. Second answer is wrong. Third is wrong. Fourth is wrong. Fifth is wrong. Sixth is wrong. Seventh is wrong. Eighth is wrong. Ninth is correct. When we solve the sum correctly, then the LED lights start. Thank you.